Hello friends, so today we are going to discuss about how to use the Nodemcu Amica model version 2 in terms of connecting wirelessly. So if you can see here, all the details for the temperature and humidity, it's already being recorded inside our Google Sheet. So it is very good for data recording, for automation, and also for modeling indoor air quality project. So if you can see here, I got the DH11 sensor. So this DH11 sensor are already connected to Nodemcu version 2. Okay, and then this is AMICA Nodemcu, and then it is being powered by the USB power bank. So if you can see here, the delay is around a few seconds. So after a while, then the temperature are going to be locked inside the Google Sheet. So we are going to learn about how to do this setup, and that's how we can go about it in collecting the temperature and also humidity in our environment. So let's dive in. It's a very simple one, and then I hope you can learn something from today.